Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a blue screen, green screen, or any kind of like solid color screen in the background using OBS on your PC. So just go to your scene. I'm going to use full webcam, and then go to your video capture device, whatever it is. I could add my Logitech C920 camera in here and just rename it, but video capture device, you can see my webcam is selected. And we want to right click on it, go to filters, and we want to go to effect filters. If we go to audio filters, this is going to be for like audio. If we want to add gain, maybe we have a microphone on our mic or something like that. So sometimes that is added and it doesn't look like it's added in there. So we can go to the plus icon down here, and we have things like Chroma key. I think there's one other thing in here, the Luma key. I'm not sure if that's the same thing. We'll look at that in a second here. And then we have color key. So we have Chroma key. We can go to this and turn this on. And then we can go to color type, blue, green, magenta, or custom color. And then we can select a color. I believe we can just select something on the screen too. But we can go through here and pick a color. So let's go to this right here. Go to OK. Oh, and it just cut out everything. So didn't work that great. So you can try a custom color in there. Blue. Oh gosh. But once you add a color, this looks freaky as can be. But you can go to the options down here and adjust it, like brightness, gamma, whatnot. Go back to green or something like that. So you can use a chroma key to try to eliminate the background. Let's go to the color key right here. Add that. The color key might be like the same thing, but a little bit different. Let's go back to the blue. I don't notice anything. All right, and then we can go to like a custom color and just select a color. Let's see if we can select this one. All right, this one kind of slightly cuts out the white area over here in my forehead, since I am white. I think the lighting is just on that specific area. So just adjust everything on the bottom here until you get what you want. And then we have that one more option down here. I was looking at Luma key. I'm not entirely sure what this is, but I just saw it. Info, only applying standard. Okay. So this has to do with something with lighting, I would say. You can see where the light is coming on my hand here. So we can try adjusting this. Luma smooth, minimum. Maybe you can work this in with the other ones. If this one is doing something with the lighting specifically, I can create an entire black area specifically where it is like light. So anywhere that is light, this seems like it's cutting out. So if I had a background, like my entire face would be cut out. Just my body would be remaining. So if you got like lights on you or something like that, so if I turn on this light over here, see if it changes it. All right, let's go back down to Luma Max. So yeah, I don't know. It cuts out like all this over here. Interesting. So you got those three options to go ahead and pretty much play with and see if there's something that would work with your setup. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.